So hi everyone, welcome back. So I should need to go to the work, but the situation is my headlights doesn't want to turn on. So uh, I show you quickly how to diagnose what the problem might be. So the parking light is on, but the headlight is not. But I have the high beam, so I know low beam, but I have high beam. That's the problem. So the chances are pretty small that both of the headlights fail at the same time, or both of the bulbs burn out and just the low beam burn out in both of the headlights. But because I have high beam, the fuse is okay, because the high and the low beam is on the exact same fuse in this car. But I see something and I show you. So it's 1741, and if I turn the ignition and then turn on the headlight, there is that no green headlight icon here, but the blue one, and it's a high beam on, it's on. So I think something wrong with this switch, and I need to find out what's wrong. So now I'm going off this switch and check this is the problem or not. So to remove the switch, just in any Volkswagen concern car, just push in, rotate a little bit, and it's going to slide off. So that's it. So now I take off the connector. There are one pin and the other pin in the other side. Just need to push in, and yeah, just easily slide off this switch. And now I'm going back to the house, find what is this called, this electrical wire paper, I don't know which wire. So I find the wiring diagram and find which pins is the headlight pins, and checking, but I show you soon. Okay, I'm gonna insert here the wiring diagram. But to check the switch, we need a multimeter to in a continuity mode. So first I check the parking lights because it's work, and I'm checking the wiring diagram is good or not. So the diagram said so the pins had the numbers and this, so I easily can identify, and it said that the 30 and the 56 all air and 58, sorry, so 58 and 30. So up, I hope you can hear the so the wire, I think the wiring diagram is okay. Headlight is the XZ is the this one, and the 56 And yeah, so I switched to headlight, the low beam, and okay, so it's not good. So we don't hear the. So yeah, so the switch is the problem, but I'm continue to diagnose. Okay, so now I'm checking if I turn on the ignition, there is 12 volt or not, because this is important to the headlight. So now I'm turn on the ignition. And there is 12 volt. So I had power in the wires, but yeah, so the switch is broken. So now I'm almost 100% sure that the switch is the problem, and the issue is I can't use my other cars because this is the only one with tow hitch, and I need it. So now so I have to figure something out to get the lights working, and I think I'm going to jump, because it's there are only 2 wire, so I'm use a jumper cable, and hope it's gonna be work. So I show you. So I use a cable, and this is the 2 pin what I need to connect together, and now we can find out it's gonna be work or not. So ignition on, and I had the headlight on. So I have low beam, I have high beam, and here it is, the little green icon. So it's 6. So it's only got 20 minutes to find out what's the problem and find a solution. But now I can go to work. So yeah. I had headlights and backlights too. So now I need to buy a new switch, and it's gonna be okay. So thanks for watching.